Did you get your final exam grade back? Wondering whether you should go talk to the professor? Give me 5 minutes to help you understand why final exam feedback is essential and the questions you should ask that will help you earn higher grades on the next exam. Hi, this is Professor Bo Bias, and today I want to encourage you to get feedback on your final exam, especially if you did not get one of the highest grades in the course. Many of you, when you see your grades, think you just didn't understand the material and you move on. While that may be true some of the time, often it's your writing that needs improving. After thousands of student meetings, I can assure you that grades, especially in law school, are rarely based on lack of knowledge. Talking to students with low grades, they often knew the material, and if there had been an oral exam, they would have scored very well. The reason they ended up at the bottom is because they did not know how to write in a manner needed to earn a high grade, failing to use techniques like the IRAC method. Step 1, talk to the professor. Schedule a meeting and mention to him or her that you want to review your final exam so that you can figure out how to improve. Don't ask the professor why you got the grade you received, but instead ask the professor what you could have done differently. That immediately changes the tone of the conversation and you will likely get what you need: meaningful feedback. Next, try to get concrete examples from your professor. For example, I was talking to a student at a top law school, and his professor told him, "Your essay could have been stronger." But the professor never told him how it could have been stronger. If this happens to you, follow up with this kind of question. Can you give me an example of a stronger statement? Because I want to make sure I do better next time. That will help you get the meaningful feedback that you need to earn a higher grade on a future exam. There is a huge difference between knowing that you did not do well and what you could have done differently. By the way, at no time should you become belligerent with the professor. That will only end the conversation and you will not get the information you need to do better. Step 2, rewrite the essays, assuming the professor releases them. The key to improvement is practice. So by rewriting that same essay question, you can practice what you learned from the feedback session. Often, explaining to the professor why you want the essay question will help you in getting it. If there were any multiple choice questions, you probably won't get those back as they are usually used again. For some of you, professors will not meet with you, and all you will get is access to the final exam, often under the supervision of a secretary. If that's all you get, then take it. Reviewing the final without the pressures you were under during exam time will allow you to see some of the mistakes you made. Note those problems and do some sample essays, making sure to avoid those problems. And if your problem was lack of knowledge, then work on creating flashcards, better outlines, and preparing all semester long. Remember, the key to improvement is taking small, productive steps. Don't expect huge leaps in your grades overnight. If you enjoyed this material, hit the like button. Also, to avoid missing any future episodes, hit the subscribe and bell buttons. For more resources to help you get ahead, including my blog and newsletter, check out learnlawbetter.com. Thanks for watching.